Welcome all of my new subscribers. Thank you, lovelies, beautiful people, for joining me. I really do appreciate it. I see y'all. I see you, boo. I see you, boo. It makes me so happy when my fam is just growing, and I just appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl, always coming through with the real deal knowledge on these locks, okay? Hello to all the beautiful people who have decided to be here with me today. Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Kenyatta here, and yes, darlings, I am back with the real tea. Alright, so you guys see me looking a mess. Clearly I am maintaining my hair. So I figured, Kenyatta, this is a great time to come in and spill the tea and give you guys the real deal holy feel of none other than my beeswax. Yes, I said it. Please do not get your panties in a bunch. I know people feel differently about beeswax. I'm not going to go into it because I understand, to each his own. Do you, boo-boo? And I'm going to do me. But I'm trying to put y'all on to what's going on with me, at least. My locks are extremely long. Very. Okay? And I've been using beeswax for 13 years. I've had my locks for 13 years, okay? What build up? Like, I'm still trying to figure it out. Like there's so many stereotypes around this product. My understanding is that it's not a bad product. It's a great product. People just don't know how to use it correctly. So that's where I come in. So I decided to go ahead and pop in and show you guys how to use beeswax correctly, because there's so many stereotypes around this product. Like, it causes buildup. What buildup? Not my locks. I've been using it for 13 years. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my maintenance process and how I use beeswax to maintenance my hair. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and, girl, yes. Darling, yes. So of course I waited till I got to the front, and I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all get in there and see what I do. So I have my beeswax. Yep. So as you guys can see, I washed my hair. It's a bit dry now because I've been doing things today, cooking, blah, and it kind of got dry a little bit. But that's where your handy dandy water bottle comes in, and you can just wet your hair. So that's all I'm gonna do with my water bottle, just plain water. And I'm gonna go ahead and take some product. Show you guys how much beeswax to use for all the naysayers. Peep game. So I take my product, I get a little bit. Do you see that? That's like a little bit of beeswax. That's a little bit, like, I don't know if you can see on my finger, like. So then I take me a lock. Look in my mirror real quick. Okay, and what I do is I go ahead and separate my hair, you know, the root. And I always say, you'll see a little bit like grease. Hold up, I have the camera as my mirror. Okay, a little bit like grease, and just put it on your root. See that? That was a very little bit of beeswax. I'm gonna take a little teeny bit more because I kind of messed up. Boop, 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 just a little bit. See, that is not all. See that on my root? Just a little bit. And once I put some product on there, gather the hair. My particular locks twist to the right, so we're gonna go ahead and twist these. Twist this lock. See? Did I do it right? To the right? Alright, whatever. And see, I twist. Then you want to palm roll. Twice for me. And as you can see, it's really not Well, as you can see, it's really not tight. It's just to the root. Okay? So I go ahead and bring it back and just join it with my ponytail. I stress this all the time when I talk about maintenance. I say, please do not like twist it all tight to the root. I'm going to show you an example, and poor babies, I'm going to show you an example of the wrong way to maintenance your locks. And like I said, the angle of my camera is just so that you can see what I'm doing. So we're going to take another lock. I'm going to get some product. Okay. I know I look crazy, y'all, but hey, that's besides that point. I'm going to take another lock. You see, my roots are pretty strong. Like, see this lock? My roots are pretty strong, you know? Castor oil, plug, see? Boom. Separate the hair. I have my little bit of product on my hand. See, that's not even a lot. Oh, that's really not a lot. I ain't getting nothing on there. Let me get some. All right, there we go. See, I got some product on my finger, and that's not a lot of product, look. And I'm probably not even gonna use all of this. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see. Put some on the root, just a little bit. Did I use all of it? Nope, I'm gonna take the rest off because I don't really need all that. Just a little bit, see? Right on the root. And I'm low-key using the camera as a mirror too, y'all, so thumbs up for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist my locks to the right. Because my locks twist to the right, I'm gonna gently twist, not tight, just gather the hair and twist it, see? And once I do that, I'm gonna palm roll. And I don't need to palm roll a lot. I have mature locks, so I don't need to do that a lot. So as you can see, it's twisted to the root, but it's not tight. See, to the root. Now, this is an example of straining your locks. See how I got it all tight, like I'm trying to make it tight. Like now, this is straining my locks, see? And then you can twist it more, and people have that little bubble like that. Like, see this right here? This is strain. No, boo, twist, loosen that up. That's what I mean when I say strain. Like, you don't have to have it tight. It doesn't have to pull. It doesn't have to squeeze. You know what I mean? So this particular lock, let me loosen my baby up. I'm sorry, boo. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist, like I said, to the root, and then I palm roll a little, and see, it's no strain. See, that's not tight. Look, that's not tight. It's just to the root, and that's really all you need to do. I'm just gonna pull it back. And that's really how you maintenance your hair and keep your hair from breaking off. Do not strain your babies. They're yours. Take so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my maintenance off camera. And yeah, I'll come back when I'm done my maintenance so that you guys can see the complete product. So I am back and I am finished my maintenance. Pretty crispy, huh? Pretty crispy. Subscribe to my channel. If you are subscribed, please hit the little bell down below and be notified of your girl whenever I post videos so that you won't miss a video from your girl. Okay? Hit the bell. Bing, bing. Tap dance on the bell. Yes, do that for me. So, alright, of course, subscribe. Share this video. Comment down below and let me know your maintenance process. Like, what do you do for your maintenance process? What products do you use? What products do you recommend? Like, what are your holy grails? Okay, what are your A1 day one holy grails? Y'all already know what mine is. I already put it out there. But I'm your girl, Kenyatta, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for rocking with me. Peace. I love y'all.
Mommy.
Time to go say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.